How to set up cold air inflatables. What you will need: the inflatable, a blower system, a set of double cam buckles, at least 4, a tarp, an extension cord, a sledgehammer, and 24 to 36 inch long tent stakes, if that's what you'll be using. Choosing a location. Ground installations can be done in parking lots, on sidewalks, or in grassy areas. Choose an area that will provide a good line of sight for passing traffic, but which can be secured from potential theft and vandalism. Also, make sure your inflation site is free from power lines, does not block normal walkways or impair normal traffic flow, such as stop signs. If you're using ground stakes, always contact your local utility companies to mark underground lines and pipes prior to your install. Find the electrical source. Find the closest electrical source. Most inflatables require a 20 amp circuit breaker, preferably a non-switched power source. If possible, try to locate your inflatable near the source of power using long extension cords sparingly, making sure not to overload the cord's rated amps. The electrical source should also be ground fault interruption protected, GFI. You can purchase GFI cords at your local hardware or home improvement store. If you are unsure about the available power source, consult a qualified electrician. If no immediate power source is available, you can use a generator. Locate the best anchor points. The anchors are the devices that insert into the ground that will hold your inflatable in the location you choose. You will need to place each anchor at a 45-degree angle between the top tether strap of your inflatable and the ground. Anchoring to solid ground, not sandy areas, allows your inflatable to remain stationary. Warning: never connect tether straps to air conditioning units, gas pipes, or electrical lines. Install anchors. Install the anchors in the ground using a sledgehammer or mallet. If it is not possible to use ground anchors, you can use alternatives such as water or concrete barriers, theater weights, vehicles, buildings, and other objects that are available in the area. In our installation today, we will be using vehicles and part of the building. Unpack the inflatable. Roll out your tarp in the center of your anchor points. Set the inflatable in the center of the tarp, making sure your inflatable is facing in the direction you want. Remove the inflatable from its storage bag. If your inflatable uses an external blower system, locate the inflation tube. It's generally on the back or side of the inflatable, and position it so that the blower will be easily accessible. Attach tethers to cam buckles. One of the installation features included with your inflatable is D-shaped rings. These D-rings hold the tether straps to your inflatable. The tether straps are attached to the D-rings, usually located at the 4 corners of your inflatable. Find the top and bottom tether straps that are attached to the inflatable and position them near your anchor points. We provide a set of double cam buckles with most cold air inflatables. Double cam buckles consist of 2 cam buckles attached to a carabiner clip with a small tether strap. Each carabiner clip will attach to your anchors, and each cam buckle will attach to your inflatable's tether straps. For ground installations, loop the double cam buckle around the anchor and secure it with the carabiner. Attach the tether straps to each set of double cam buckles by depressing the thumb release and feeding the tether from the bottom through the front. Do not feed the strap into the front of the cam buckle. Tighten tether straps. Once the tether is fed through the cam buckle, tighten the tether by pulling on the tether strap. Tighten the bottom tethers to center the inflatable on the tarp. You can loosen the straps by pressing the thumb release and pulling the strap in reverse. Close the deflation zippers. Make sure all of the zippers are closed and secured with their Velcro flaps. Every inflatable has at least one zipper. It is usually above the blower tube or the internal blower. Some inflatables have several zippers. Inflatables with an internal mattress system may have a zipper on the outside, which is the slip cover, and on the inside, which is the baffles. A partially open zipper is a very common reason for an inflatable to appear soft after inflation. Contact us if you have problems locating all of the zippers. Attach the blower. Using the zipper and Velcro strap, simply attach the blower sleeve to the blower tube. Inflate and adjust tethers. Your inflatable system comes complete with a blower system. This is the mechanism that actually inflates your balloon. To begin the process of inflation, simply plug the blower system in and turn the blower on. For external blowers, use setting number 3. Make sure the blower intake is free from obstacles such as inflatable fabric. Starting with the windward side, use the cam buckles to slowly release tension in the top tethers as the balloon inflates. Final steps. Make sure all the tethers are taut. Use the top tethers to make any final inflatable adjustments. Conduct a final walk-around inspection of the inflatable. Check to be sure the anchor points are secure, and make sure no sharp edges are touching the inflatable, electrical cords, or tethers. Also, once more, check to see that your inflatable is facing the correct way. For more information about using inflatables, visit our website at landmarkcreations.com or call us at 1-800-553-3593.